This is the final video to solve black screen and broken top glass in new Nintendo 3DS XL. Because I also faced the same issue and tested lots of ways, but finally found multiple methods to solve black screen and broken top glass in new Nintendo 3DS XL, and I am going to share them with you. First, a hard reset can often resolve a black screen by clearing temporary software glitches or memory corruption, forcing the system to reinitialize its display drivers and operating parameters, which often fixes minor software conflicts, preventing the screen from activating. Second, issues with ribbon cables are common. The display and digitizer data are transmitted via delicate ribbon cables connecting the screens to the main board. These can become loose or dislodged due to drops or wear, so reseating them ensures a secure electrical connection, restoring data flow. Third, replacing the top LCD screen is necessary when the top glass is physically broken, as this typically means the underlying LCD panel is also damaged, leading to dead pixels, lines, or a complete black screen. A direct hardware replacement restores the physical display components. Finally, cleaning the system and cartridge slot addresses potential issues where dust, debris, or corrosion can cause intermittent electrical shorts or communication failures, sometimes manifesting as a black screen during boot. Ensuring clean contacts helps proper power delivery and data integrity.
Should've known. We were dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the side. Oh, after all that time, this was it for us. You don't wanna try.